The parable of the Pharisee and the tax collector. Jesus addressed this parable to those who were convinced of their own righteousness and despised everyone else. Two people went up to the temple area to pray. One was a Pharisee and the other was a tax collector. The Pharisee took up his position and spoke this prayer to himself. "O God, I thank you that I am not like the rest of humanity, greedy, dishonest, adulterous, or even like this tax collector. I fast twice a week and I pay tithes on my whole income." But the tax collector stood off at a distance and would not even raise his eyes to heaven, but beat his breast and prayed, "O God, be merciful to me, a sinner." I tell you, the latter went home justified, not the former. For whoever exalts himself will be humbled, and the one who humbles himself will be exalted. Today's Gospel invites us to examine our hearts, humility before God, not self-righteousness. Jesus challenges us not with the outward show of piety, but with the state of our soul. The Pharisee prays, yet his prayer is full of comparison and self-righteousness. The tax collector stands distant. He doesn't compare. He simply pleads for mercy. And Jesus says, the humble are justified. The proud, even while praying, remain distant from grace. This parable is not about two different types of people only. It's about two attitudes. It's a mirror. Where do you stand? This week, let's practice humble prayer. Not the prayer that lists our good works, but the prayer that cries out, "Have mercy on me." In that cry, God meets us. Thank you for joining Gospel Reading Sunday. May humility grow in our heart this week.